Welcome to the third online session of maths. I hope the previous two sessions are clear to you. So in today's session, we'll talk about successors and predecessors, ascending order and descending order, how to build smallest and greatest number using different digits, and what is expanded form and short form. Now, when you have studied to compare the numbers, it becomes very easier for us to understand what is the successor of a number and what is the predecessor of a number. You have already studied about successors and predecessors in your previous classes. Let's have a quick recap. Successor is the next number, means one more than the given number, and predecessor means the previous number, which is one less than the given number. So for finding the predecessor of a number, we can subtract 1 from the number and for finding the successor of the number, we can add 1 to the number. There are 3 examples written in front of you, and the table below shows you the predecessors and successors. Now let's understand to write the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from smaller number to the biggest number, and descending order is the vice versa of ascending order, that is writing numbers from biggest number to the smallest number. Now when we are arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order, many a times the periods are not marked in the number in the numbers. So we then mark the periods in any system of numeration and then order the numbers. It's our choice to arrange the numbers in Indian place value chart or international place value chart. So the first step to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order is to place the number one below the other in the place value chart. For example, I have taken Indian place value chart here in this example. So I will place the numbers one below the other in the Indian place value chart. And we have already understood how to place the numbers in the Indian international place value chart. So when we arrange the numbers, the first number comes out to be 6,12,856. The second number is 7,21,612. The third number is 92,936, and the last number is 1,21,579. If you see the last column of the table, I have written third, fourth, first, second. So the first number is the number which have the lesser number of digits. So the third number, 92,936, have 5 digits. So it is the smallest number. After that, follow rule 2 that you studied while comparing the numbers. We have to see the leftmost digit. So the leftmost digit of the last number is 1. So 1,21,579 becomes the second number, which is bigger than the first number. Now after that, the number starting from 6 comes in the list, and after that the number starting from 7 comes in the list. So the smallest, if we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, means in the ascending order, we can follow the pattern first, second, third and fourth. So this is how it becomes very easier for us to compare the numbers and to arrange them in ascending and descending order. So once you have written the ascending order, it becomes very easy for us to write down the descending order. We only have to reverse the order. Fine. Now let's try to build the smallest number using given digits. For example, I have 6 digits, 6, 3, 9, 8, 1, 0. If I want to make the smallest number out of these digits, what do I have to do is, I have to first arrange the numbers in ascending order, and then in the order in which I get the digits, I will make the number using the same order. Now I will form the number as 0, 1, 3, 6, 8, 9. But remember that we should never write 0 at the highest place. Why? Because its place value is 0. So 0 is always placed second in the smallest number. right? So when we arrange the numbers in ascending order, 0 came first, but while making the number we will put it at the second place, so we will interchange the places of 0 and 1. So the smallest number becomes 103689. Since there was no system of number given, so we can arrange it in Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration according to our choice. So the smallest number in Indian system becomes 1,03,689, and in the international system we may call it as 103,689. In the similar manner, we can build the largest number using the given digits. Now, how to make the largest digits? We have to do the opposite what we did earlier. We have to first arrange the numbers in descending order, that is 986310, and then remove the commas to form the number. So the number becomes 9,86,310, or in the international system it is 986,310. So when we are making the largest number, there is no discrepancy in the places of 0 and 1. But just remember that while making the smallest number, you should never write 0 at the highest place. Why? Because the place value is 0. The place value of 0 is 0 at the highest place. Now let's move on to the next topic, expanded form and short form of a number. Short form of a number is the standard form or the reduced form that we write the number in. So the way in which we write the number is called as the short form. And expanded form, what is expanded form? When the number is expressed as the sum of place values of its digits is called the expanded form. Let's see in detail what is expanded form and what is short form. Now, we just studied that expanded form is the sum of the place value of the digits of the number. So, there are 9 digits in the example in front of you. So, we will add the place values of all the 9 digits one by one to get the expanded form of the number. So, if I write it in figures, in words, it will be place value of 9 plus place value of 0 plus place value of 3 plus place value of 9 plus place value of 1 plus place value of 6 plus place value of 5 plus place value of 4 plus place value of 2. And if you write it in the numerical form, the expanded form becomes, in the circles below you can see the expanded form written in figures. So we express the sum of the place values of all the digits in writing the expanded form. I hope it is clear to you. Now, there are other ways for writing the expanded form of a number. So there are 3 ways. Either you can write in the first way, that is in the form of figures. The second and third way in front of you is the formula that you studied about the place value. What was the formula of place value? That is face value multiplied by place. So we have written place in the second way, we have written the place in words, and in the third way we have written place in figures. So these are the 3 ways in which you can write the expanded form. Whichever way is suitable for you, is easier for you, you can opt that way. Now, once the number is expressed as the sum of the place values of the digits, let's try to write down the short form for it. So now, before writing the short form, the first thing to keep in mind is the system of numeration. Now, how will you understand the system of numeration? By the places of comma. Right? So if you see the first number, that is a 9-digit number, and the comma is placed after every 3 digits. So we can understand that this is international system of numeration, right? So we will make the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. We have to learn the place value chart of both the system. It is very, very compulsory. So now one by one we will place the digits. So that is 400 million. So 4 comes under the place 100 million. The plus, that is 300,000. So 3 comes under the place 100,000. plus 50,000, so 5 comes under the place 10,000, plus 700, so 7 comes under the place 1000, plus 600, 6 comes under the place 100, plus 2, so 2 comes under the place ones. Now there are 3 empty places in the table, that is 10 million, million and tens. So what do? We write 0 at those places and the number becomes 400,357,602. So the short form or the reduced form, or I can say the standard form of the number becomes 400,357,602. I hope the topics discussed above are clear to you. Thank you.